Imagine waking up one morning, stepping outside, and instead of the warm, golden glow of the sun, the sky is lit by a terrifying, fast-spinning ball of energy. No more sunrises, no more sunsets, just darkness interrupted by pulses of blinding light. Sounds like a sci-fi nightmare, right? But what if this actually happened? The sun is what makes life on Earth possible. It gives us warmth, light, and stable conditions for plants, animals, and humans to thrive. But a pulsar? That's a whole different story. Pulsars are the dead remains of massive stars, so dense that a sugar cube-sized piece of one would weigh millions of tons. These stellar zombies spin at insane speeds, some hundreds of times per second, shooting out beams of deadly radiation like cosmic lighthouses. So, what would happen if we replaced our sun with one of these extreme objects? Well, first off, daylight as we know it, gone. Instead, we'd get blinding pulses of light flashing in rapid bursts. But that's the least of our problems. The real issue? Radiation. Pulsars blast out intense X-rays and gamma rays, which are lethal to all known life. Our atmosphere might shield us for a while, but over time, it would erode, exposing Earth to deadly cosmic rays. Let's break it down. Pulsars are what's left after a massive star explodes in a supernova. They pack more mass than the sun into a sphere just 10 to 20 kilometers across, basically the size of a city. But their magnetic fields are billions of times stronger than Earth's, and their radiation can strip away planets' atmospheres. If one were at the sun's location, temperatures on Earth would plummet. Without a constant source of heat, our oceans would freeze solid, plants would die, and life, as we know it, would vanish. But here's something wild. Scientists have actually found planets orbiting pulsars. These so-called zombie planets somehow survive their star's explosion. But they're nothing like Earth. Battered by radiation, their surfaces are likely scorched and lifeless. So, while a pulsar in our solar system would be a death sentence for Earth, somewhere out there in the universe, world might be adapting to these extreme conditions. So, next time you step outside and feel the warmth of the sun, be grateful. Because if we had a pulsar instead, well, let's just say life wouldn't stand a chance. But here's the real question. What's even scarier than a pulsar? A magnetar, the most powerful magnetic object in the universe. Want to know what would happen if one replaced the sun? Stick around, and we'll explore that next.